Google Classroom is an easy-to-use tool that helps teachers manage coursework. With Classroom, you can create classes, distribute assignments, grade and send feedback, and see everything in one place. Students can complete assignments independently or in a group and receive feedback along the way. To get started, make sure you are signed into your Google account. Then go to classroom.google.com. Once you are logged into Google Classroom, you may be prompted to see if you are a student or teacher. Click I'm a teacher. To create a new class, click the plus button on the top right corner. Your class is where you'll interact with students and share assignment, materials, and quizzes. Once you've created a class, you can add students in two ways. You can invite students directly using their email address, or you can share the class unique self-enrollment code with them. And most educators teach more than one class a day. You can create multiple classes in Google Classroom. Each class can be created separately and will have a unique enrollment code. The different classroom pages make it easy to navigate to different sections of your class. The stream page allows you to post updates about assignments and materials, post and response to class comments, and see a running updates of items posted in the course. On the Classroom page, you can see all the materials posted in the class. You can also create assignments, create quizzes, and course materials and more. You'll also be able to access Google Drive folder that contain all course materials. Topics helps you organize classworks and assignments. Help students find and view classroom materials. You can create a topic based on the area of study or specific unit you are working on. Think of them as categories or units and your assignments or materials as individual lessons. You can add a topic to any materials or assignments you post, allowing you to sort posted contents by topic. On the People page, students can see and email their classmates and teachers. Teachers can see all the enrolled students and co-teachers and can email, remove, or mute certain students. Teachers can also email parents and guardians. The grade page shows all the graded assignments in one place. You can review individual students' assignments, view a class average, and return all assignments at once. All assigned items can be found on the Classwork page, which is at the top of your class page. Click the Create button in the top right corner to get started. When you create an assignment, you can use resource from Google Drive or YouTube to assign student work. This provides students with an easy path to create and turn assignments directly in Google Classroom. When you create a quiz assignment, Google Classroom create a blank quiz using a Google form form and attach it to the assignment. You can then edit quiz and add questions of different types before you assign the quiz to the students. Materials allow you to share documents and resources with your class, but don't require students to turn anything in. You can even reuse a post created for another class. You can access Student Walk within an assignment under the Student Walk tab. You'll see each student progress for that assignment and can sort out by status, including turned in, assigned, and graded. Click on individual student's name to see their progress on an assignment, leave feedback, check their name to return a grade, double-click on assignment to review their assignment in grading tools, toggle between Student Walk by creating left and right arrow by clicking in the upper left corner, or by choosing the drop-down menu of student's name. To return a single student's walk or multiple students' walk, use the checkbox next to their name. Return to all students' walks at once, check the all student box and click the return button. Students do not see their grades until you've returned it to them. And those are the basics of Google Classroom. I hope that was helpful, especially those of you looking for productivity tips and tricks. And if you got opinions, I know you do, or if you want to share with your experience with different types of tips and tricks, let us know in the comment below, because I know lots of people will find your experience helpful. By the way, you can get in touch with me on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and my website. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.